Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or something is happening on Jamaican YouTube right now, and most people aren't even noticing it. Some creators are quietly building, some are dominating attention, and others, they've turned YouTube into something much bigger than content. So today, we're looking at the creators shaping Jamaican YouTube right now. But pay attention, because one name in this video is changing the game completely. Let's start with something interesting. As we break this video down, there's a shift happening from just posting videos to building real influence. Take creators like Jaii Frais, who focus more on conversations and perspective. It's not just entertainment, it's voice. And in a space where everyone is trying to go viral, that kind of content stands out in a different way. Then you have energy-driven creators like Drizzy Burke, where personality becomes the content. It's the vibe, the relatability, the feeling that you're not just watching someone, you're connecting with them. And that connection, that's what keeps people coming back. Now, look at the rise of family channels, because this is where things get even more powerful. Creators like the Virgos, the Powells, and the Greens family, they're not just posting moments, they're building stories, real life experiences, ups and downs, things people can actually relate to. And when viewers feel like they're part of your life, that's when YouTube turns into something deeper. Then there's Kino Life in Jamaica. And this is where the tone shifts again, because the content feels calmer, more intentional, as Kino helps with the aid of his subscribers to change ordinary Jamaicans' lives into extraordinary Jamaicans by providing them with homes. It's almost like you're watching real life unfold without pressure. And in a fast, noisy space, that kind of content actually stands out more. Now, let's talk about influence in a different way, because creators like Meet the Mitchells have built something strong, not just views, but a loyal audience, a family who pretty practically shows us their day-to-day life as a couple, raising their children. People don't just watch them, they follow. They care about their journey. And that's a different level of impact. Then there's Alicia Kim. And this is where branding becomes important. The visuals, the presence, the consistency. It's not just content anymore, it's presentation. And that's what keeps her relevant in a competitive space. But not all influence looks the same, because when you look at Anty Donna, it goes beyond YouTube, helping people, giving back, showing up when it matters most. That kind of presence, it builds respect, and respect travels far beyond views. And right now, I want to ask you something. Who do you think is really leading Jamaica YouTube right now? Because depending on how you see it, your answer might be different from mine. Because while all these creators are growing in their own way, there's one lane that's creating a different kind of attention. And that's where things get interesting. When you look at someone like Color Smith, you start to see a different level of impact. It's not just about videos anymore. It's a combination of adventure, consistency, and real-world action. Helping people, showing up in communities, doing things that people don't usually expect from a YouTuber. And because of that, people don't just watch. They love and support his content. And that's what makes Jamaican YouTube so interesting right now. It's no longer just about who posts the most or who gets the most views. It's about who connects, who influences, who actually makes an impact. So again, who do you think is really leading Jamaican YouTube right now? Drop it in the comments. If you enjoy this breakdown, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to CCN World TV News because we're just getting started.